Alright guys, what's going on? As promised, video for the upcoming 48-hour build this weekend. Remember, it starts at 8 o'clock wherever you are and ends 8 o'clock Sunday. If you finished, hey, that's great. That's awesome. Glad. If you didn't finish, well, I'm glad that you joined in anyway, and it doesn't really matter if you finish or not. I think the last one I didn't finish. I finished it, but I wasn't happy with it. Yeah, I finished it, but I wasn't happy with it. And that's kind of the way these 48-hour builds go, give or take. Everything goes right or everything goes wrong. But I've picked the kit out. I'll get the camera turned around here and show you what we're going to do. We're going to do the Skyline GTR from Tamiya. I do apologize for the shakiness, guys. And then we've got we 3D printed some new wheels and tires, wide body kit, and some seats that we're going to be throwing on. And then we got the rest of the parts over here for the wide body and stuff. It should be a lot of fun. I look forward to seeing who all joins and what you guys are building. Have a nice night, guys.